Now we have a Rishmi, who she's going to talk about accessing the Copilot agent within the Power app. So over to you, Rishmi.
Yeah, and Beige. So if you want to access Copilot agent within a Canvas app, what you can do, you can go like to the app settings and there's an option Copilot, and then you can select the Copilot agent you have within your environment. And then once that's saved, when you run that particular app, you can access that particular Copilot from a side panel, and you have I already run it once, so it's kind of generate. Then if I try it again, generate feedback rating. If, for example, this is an agent to help you provide constructive feedback, for example, for performance review. And in case you're running out of ideas, you can try it out and then it kind of generates something depending on the rating that you want. So rating from 1 to 5. Uh, and now it's kind of generate something which you can easily copy and paste into it. But ideally, what I wanted was something that's integrated with the flow of the app, because that particular side panel is not context aware what is happening within my application. And now what I've noticed, the other way that you can call like the Copilot Studio is within Power Automate Flow. You can call the Power Automate Flow and you can add an action called Execute Copilot. Again, I'm specifying the Copilot within my environment, and I can pass like different parameters. Here I'm just passing the rating from my Canvas app, and I say generate. Unfortunately, that action, it outputs only like a conversation ID and not the response I was expecting. That's a bit unfortunate. I've tried to look into options, but I have not really found like something which was kind of easy uh, to apply. But I can see a lot of use cases around just in case, like from your Canvas app, you just wants to execute a Copilot, and then in the background, it does a lot of different actions. For example, updating your data source. So it's quite a good one to use if you don't really need to have any response back into your Power Automate. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any other ways like to make use of it within my Canvas app, so I just went and used Azure OpenAI to provide the same kind of input, build the same kind of agent, and 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 finally I just have the proper kind of output, which is a little bit different from what I was expecting from the Copilot agent here. For example, if I just pick 2 and generate sample, this is the response from the Azure OpenAI. And from digging out about different options, there's something which I kind of came across but have not tried it yet, which is called like the direct line REST API. But okay, this now is just how to enable the direct line channel security. But that's something where you can look into if you want to call Copilot Studio Agent within new application. Thank you very much. That's all from me.
Thank you so much, Rishmi. It's really insightful. And yeah, really, we have to make our hand a bit dirty around this area, but really insightful. Thank you so much for this.